this is new Xeon monitor arm, and I have installed it on this 24-inch monitor, and this is the basic version. It cost me around 2600 from the website. Let's go ahead and check it out. So this is the monitor stand. This is actually gas spring version. There is one more with a spring loaded version that you can order. You get two sets of mounting clamps. You can drill a hole on your table and install, and there is one more that can be fixed with a adjuster height, and that's about it in the box. The stand itself is really well made. You can see it's a very high quality material and pretty good value for money for the amount you pay. So first attach this bracket here with these 3 screws and add this smaller bracket like this. You can use smaller gap if you have smaller thickness table. Just that once you are done, it just goes in like this. So just have to tighten the screws in the bottom. So there are these screws and there are 2 types of screws with washers, and the monitor stand will go like this, and you have to screw in those screws, replace the existing ones. So this is how it looks after the installation. To adjust the spring stiffness, you need to adjust this screw here with Allen key, and you can remove one screw here at the bottom to use this cable management, and to increase the stiffness of this hinge, you need to use Allen key to tighten this screw. So this is what it is, and in terms of adjustments, that's about it. And you have one more cable management here with a screw in. I'm pretty much happy with the mount. Actually, it is quite stable. This is actually 24-inch monitor. I think this can be used up to 27. It's a straightforward installation for 2500 rupees. I don't think you will get better monitor mount in the market. This monitor stand is purchased by me. This is not a sponsored post, so whatever I am saying is truly from my personal experience. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.